Hello, this is the Itineo CS660 motorhome. This is one of the cheapest, it's not the cheapest, but it's one of the cheapest integrated motorhomes that I know of. And this comes at a price of £84,000. It's 661 centimeters long, 219 wide, 280 in height. The price is more of an indication of the way things are at present in the market rather than a lack of knowledge on my part of what is actually happening. This is a very unusual vehicle. This is a very clearly family vehicle, designed for families, designed for the children to use this at the back, a children's area at the back, in a vehicle which is very short, I think, very small, although it seems very wide inside, only 219 centimeters in width. That does seem to me to be really, really small. And anyway, very wide, large wardrobe. We have a Dometic fridge here. Oh, just locked it at the back, and two bunk beds, seats for the children, and they can sit there by themselves. Here we have a washroom, very wide and large in my opinion. It comes with a false wall, and storage. Electricity up there. Now, what's really odd about this thing though, it's got this curtain here, a curtain rail in here, and I think that's probably to give privacy to the children rather than the adults. Now, there's many vehicles have something to close off the back. That's nothing unusual, but to have it like this, that's very unusual. In fact, it's the first time I've seen it. And the children have access to the toilet rather than the adults who are sleeping up front. They don't have access to the kitchen because that is here. I just give myself a shock via static electricity. Don't know if that's a good thing or not. This here, it looks good. It looks very good. And it's totally useless. I can't see the point of that at all. A bit of storage. Wouldn't be better if they're taking this down to here and giving more storage. That's how I would look at it. Now, huge amount of space around this table. Enormous L-shaped lounge. And on this, in fact, I'll show you the table. There you go. That's how big the table is. Here, the chair will turn round to face the direction of traffic. It obviously have to move that and the bit which is below it, and I think this is now a requirement by law. So there's 5 belted positions, 1 there, and that's only obviously when once you put the cushions, everything, turn everything around, and 2 on the chair I'm sitting on. Bed up here, and if I can get this down, I'll show you how big it is. There you go. Not. So, right. Also, floor's not flat, but I mean, with the other advantages of it, I suppose at this price range, we can't really expect it to be. This is a really unusual motorhome. So if you're looking something out of the ordinary for 2 children and 2 adults, then this could be it, or 1 adult and 3 children. In here we can see the garage. The beds are in the garage. The beds will come out actually as well, should you only have one child or not even want to use this at all. Then you'd have an enormous garage. But as it is, the garage isn't particularly large. Yeah, I'll take you into this one. No, I want to take you into the other one. This is the cheapest one, I think, here. This version. This is a bit more of a standard vehicle. Large garage there. And for this, you're looking at 81,380. Same 661, 219, 280 in height. So 661 really isn't very large. There you see, it's got the bit at the front, the integrated bit, same sort of furniture with this complete waste of space. German layout at the back, a similar, or that's not the same, double bed at the front, washroom with a false wall which will give lots of space, same fridge, storage under the beds, storage at the back. Personally, I prefer this one. And I'll show you yet another one as well. Let's go and have a look at this one. So this is the CS660 at a price of 85,380. Same size, 661 centimeters in length. It's got the same decor as the first one. It's got lighting, I hope, which I can't turn on. Why can't I turn the thing on? There you go, and there's the light. Yeah, right. And the bed will go up and down, storage either side of the bed, and for this one, all three so far. Three burners, but they've all got three burners. And as I'm here, and it's now, I shall show you the largest one. I like to keep them in families, so to speak, so the same sort of size. SB740. This one here is 740 centimeters, 742 centimeters in width, 87,380 euros. And this one is somewhat similar to the first one we saw. Trying to turn the lights on. So anyway, thanks for watching these videos today with me. I hope you found that of interest. This is the biggest in this collection, and so anyway, tell me what you think. Do you like that? Don't like that? And Itineo is a cheaper brand of Rapido. And thanks for being here today. All the best from me in Stuttgart.